Hare Krishna. So welcome to the third verse of the third chapter of Gita, wherein Krishna will now begin giving answers to the questions of Arjuna. Arjuna has asked, oh, if you know that Buddhi is superior, why do you want to engage me in this ghastly warfare? And with equivocal instructions, you have told me about Karma Yoga also and Buddhi Yoga also. So please tell me what is best for me. Whatever you tell me, let us see. So from today onwards, Krishna will begin giving answer. What does he say? Text 3. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Lokesmin Dvividha Nishtha Pura Prokta Mayanagha Jnana Yogena Sankhyanam Karma Yogena Yoginam. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, O sinless Arjuna, I have already explained that there are two classes of men who try to realize the self. Some are inclined to understand it by empirical philosophical speculation and others by devotional service. Krishna says, these two kind of people will always be there, my dear Arjuna. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं ये दो अलग अलग पाथ बता रहा हूं. There will always be these two people who will adopt one of these two paths according to the faith that they have. Some people will not be able to give up everything and situate themselves in Buddhi Yoga. So naturally they will want to work, and to purify them I have given you these two options that work fully for me. Otherwise, work for yourself and give up the results to me. One who is purified from this stage of work, who has established himself in knowledge, he will try to understand me with buddhi, ज्ञान, empirical philosophy कि भगवान कौन है, आत्मा कौन है, मैं कौन हूँ, मैं इस भौतिक जगत में क्यों आया हूँ, इस संसार में दुख और सुखों के चक्र में मैं क्यों घूम रहा हूँ. ये जानने का प्रयत्न या ये जानने की इच्छा भी comes after sufficient purification from karma yoga. Yes, so these kind of people will not want to work, but they would like to philosophically understand truth. So I am not telling two different paths. I am telling about two different ways in which two various kinds of people try to approach me. So Nishtha here, Krishna says, is faith. And we can also see Nishtha refers to steadiness. Only these two people can steadily worship me, Krishna says. Those who are either giving me full work or they are offering the results of work completely. Only they can be Nishthavan. Second, those who are trying to understand me with empirical knowledge, and in that empirical knowledge they have ceased their material activities on sensual and mental plane. So this is not about two different paths, it is about two different faiths, and they will always exist. Why I am telling you this? He says, my dear Arjuna, you are anagha, you are sinless. Only when one is sinless, one is able to understand this concept. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna